What's up, gamers? Going to be working on this side of the floor pan and hopefully get it done this video. If you remember last time, I was having a little bit of issue with the welder over there, and I think I fixed it. The tip got like a little plugged up, I think, and I kind of cleaned it out with some drill bits. Anyways, I laid these boogers, and it seems to be doing better, so that's good. I think there's a little bit going on with the ground too, so I got it grounded up there, and it looks pretty decent. So this time it's gonna be a little bit more difficult than last time. We got this big old area, which I'm assuming the bad metal's gonna go up about right here, because that's my luck, and like it's pretty bad right there. So that's not gonna be that bad. And then we got this area. I don't know how I'm gonna handle that. Probably like this, where it kind of goes up to right here, just overlaps right there. That's probably gonna be the easiest. Either way, I think it's gonna be easier this time because the welder's acting better. So let's do it. So that's pretty bad. I don't know how this is gonna work because it's pretty bad rusted out under here. So I don't know how to handle that. Oh, that's bad. So that's gonna be interesting. So I'm just gonna ignore that. So this is the process I use on the other side, which is use a piece of metal that I have laying around instead of getting the right floor pan and then somewhat making it fit and then using a 3-pound sledgehammer to make it fit. So I'm going to be doing that because it works. So I made this some work off camera, just a little bit of work. When to finish this stuff, because it really is just that, but over here. So I didn't see no point of showing all of it, and I was kind of bored, and I just want to get it done. So it's done. And if you think it looks like it's pieced together, it's because it is, because we didn't have a big enough piece of metal to go there, and I had a bunch of smaller pieces of metal, and I used it. So that one's done. So which means we have one more section to do. This is going to be the hardest because it is rusted all up underneath the support. I don't know how to fix that. So what I think I'm going to do is cut out all the bad metal in here and try to get all the bad metal out from underneath it, and just, you see how this is like overlapped right here? Just like overlap it here, overlap it here. So I'm not going to have like this like crevice when I'm done with it, but I don't have the patience to try to recreate that. So I cut out this section, and then I went under here, and luckily this is all already kind of detached itself, but yeah, all this like loose stuff, I'm just going to be chiseling away with a screwdriver and a hammer because I don't know what else to do. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'll see you about in like 30 hours. I'm gonna estimate that's how much this is gonna take. It's been a couple days since I actually cut this out, so I did spray some rust reformer on it. I don't know if that stuff actually does anything, but it makes me feel better. But, so, hopefully I could just burn right through that, because I didn't bother taking any of it off. Because this metal's pretty thin right here, and I'm just kind of trying to piece it together, because honestly, I'm done. I just want to get done with these floor pans and move on to something more fun like carpet. But yeah, so hopefully I'm going to finish this today. That way I can get it sealed up and everything. There's a bolt that goes to nothing. Sealed up and everything, and move on with this project. So I got that one done, and then I gotta start on that one now. So I'm just gonna use that stuff and maybe make it work. Well, that one's done too, so I'm gonna stop looking at this floor. That way I don't find any more rust, and I'm just gonna start putting the interior back together. Not this video, not gonna be next video, not gonna be the video, like the 6 videos after that, because starting Monday, we're gonna be on power tour. This truck's going on power tour again. So starting, actually Sunday, it's gonna be a week of like just straight up uploads. Because that just does the best on the channel. So Monday, I'm gonna go to power tour on Monday. I'm gonna edit it that night, and it's probably gonna go up like in the middle of the night to the next morning. So yeah, actually, I'm actually trying to get that car ready for power tour next year. So I've got a lot of stuff to do, but this truck's ready and it runs, and it did pretty good last year, so it's going. Yeah, get ready for power tour videos. Pretty psyched that I just finished the floors on that thing. I forgot to mention this. So I'm gonna need some sealant or something on all these welds and stuff. So I did it on the Bronco. I'm gonna do it here. I sealed it from the top. I'm gonna seal it from the top, like on the top and the bottom. That worked really good. And then this whole floor, any bare like rust spot, probably the whole floor is gonna get this like rust conversion stuff. This rust conversion stuff. Again, now I don't know if it does anything, but it makes me feel better. Do the sealant and stuff, it's like cheap, like actual like house grade caulking, but it works good. I'm gonna do that and then paint it, and then next video on this Monte Carlo after the power tour stuff will be probably, I'd say the carpet and like maybe the seat. We're gonna dye those with like Hobby Lobby stuff. That's like $2. I think it's gonna turn out pretty good. So yeah, that's gonna be the next videos on this stuff. Again, get ready for the power tour stuff, and I'm gonna go eat some lunch. So see ya.